Here are today's biggest moves on the Indian stock market, analyzed straight from the exchange filings by flashfinance.news. 5 stories: what changed, the key numbers, why it matters, and what to watch. Let's get into it. Story 1. Pro CLB Global. Rupees 37.4 crore fundraise. Pro CLB Global to issue 1.16 crore warrants at rupees 32.20. What changed? The company has moved from a microcap entity with stagnant revenue to initiating a capital raise that will more than double its equity base and provide substantial liquidity. The key numbers. Total potential fundraise, rupees 37.4 crore. Fundraise versus market cap, 267%. Issue price, rupees 32.20. Current market price, rupees 26.7. Total warrants to be issued, 1,16,14,250. Upfront payment, 25% rupees 9.35 crore. Why it matters? This is a transformative event for a company with a rupees 14 crore market cap and 0% promoter holding. The scale of the fundraise suggests a potential pivot or significant expansion in its consulting business. What to watch? Investors should monitor the upcoming shareholder meeting for approval and the subsequent receipt of the 25% upfront payment, approximately rupees 9.35 crore. The key factor to watch is the management's plan for deploying this capital, as it is 37 times the company's TTM revenue of rupees 1 crore. Story 2. SML Mahindra. Rupees 525 crore acquisition of M&MS Truck and Bus Division by SML Mahindra. What changed? SML Mahindra is transitioning from a niche player focused on buses and light trucks to a full-range commercial vehicle manufacturer by absorbing M&MS heavy truck and bus operations. The key numbers. Acquisition consideration, rupees 525 crore. Target turnover, FY26 rupees 2,989 crore. Target sales volume, 14,832 vehicles. Promoter stake, 58.97%. Completion date, 31st January 2027. Why it matters? This consolidation creates a unified commercial vehicle entity within the Mahindra Group, providing SMLMH with immediate scale, a broader product portfolio, including heavy trucks, and operational synergies in distribution and technology. What to watch? Investors should monitor the upcoming shareholder vote required for this related party transaction and track the integration of the heavy commercial vehicle portfolio into SML's existing operations. Story 3. Rajasthan Tube Manufacturing Company. Rupees 93.15 crore fundraise via preferential issue of 6.21 crore warrants. What changed? The company is proposing a massive capital raise that will more than double its share capital and provide liquidity nearly double its current market value. The key numbers. Total fundraise value, rupees 93.15 crore. Fundraise versus market cap, 182.6%. Warrant issue price, rupees 15. Upfront payment, 25% rupees 23.29 crore. Total warrants to be issued, 6 crores 21 lakhs. Why it matters? For a company with only rupees 17 crore in annual revenue and thin margins, a rupees 93 crore infusion is transformative. It provides the capital necessary for major expansion or diversification, though it will result in substantial equity dilution for existing shareholders. What to watch? Monitor the outcome of the EGM on 20th August 2026 and the subsequent allotment of warrants. Investors should watch for management's specific plans for utilizing this capital, as it represents a significant shift in the company's financial scale. Story 4. Ram Gopal Polytechs. 45.46% stake sale at Rs 9 share triggers open offer for Ram Gopal Polytechs. What changed? The existing promoter group is exiting the company entirely, transferring 45.46% ownership and management control to two new individual acquirers. The key numbers. Stake being sold, 45.46%. Sale price per share, Rs 9. Total SPA consideration, Rs 5,23,26,164. Open offer size, 26.00%. SPA value versus TTM revenue, 593%. Why it matters? For a microcap company with a market cap of Rs 32 crore and negative earnings, a change in promoter control is a major event that could lead to a business pivot or capital infusion. What to watch? Investors should monitor the detailed public statement due by 4th August 2026 to understand the new promoter's business strategy and the final terms of the open offer. Story 5. Aestron Paper and Board Mill. Aestron Paper invites resolution plans, 17 September deadline for submissions under SERP. What changed? The company has moved from the initial insolvency stage to the formal invitation for expression of interest, Form G, seeking third-party resolution plans. The key numbers. Resolution plan deadline, 17 September 2026. FY26 sales, 72.47 lakh. Total debt, 75 crore. Debt to market cap, 4.17x. Installed capacity, 500 TPD. Why it matters? This is a terminal event for the company. The resolution process will either result in a change of management and capital infusion or lead to the liquidation of assets to pay creditors. What to watch? Investors should monitor the release of the provisional list of bidders on 4th August 2026 to see if any credible industrial players express interest. Be cautioned that under IBC, existing equity is frequently written down to zero or significantly diluted. That's today's market wrap. For the full AI analysis of every NSE and BSE filing, visit flashfinance.news. Like and subscribe for daily market updates. Educational analysis, not investment advice.